Our introduction to scale computing came after a trusted partner of ours brought it to our attention. I think after that first call, I immediately knew that while we weren't looking, we probably should have been. So my name is Slayton Watley, Vice President of Operations. Watley Oil was founded in 1955. We're a third generation petroleum jobber, so we do have a big wholesale component to our company. We also operate a chain of 10 convenience stores. It's amazing sometimes that we're holding it all together with the small team that we have. We were coming from the dark ages a little bit on how we were doing things. We had a complete mixture of hardware at our sites. When our credit card machines go down, it can mean that 80% plus of your transactions just come to a screeching halt. Previously, we ran our card readers both in-store and at the pump through our switch. That was it. If our primary internet went down, we lost everything else. Lottery, EBT, back office PC, our voice over IP phones, ATMs, everything. A lot of times it was sending people out with very little information other than we were panicked because the site was down. It was pretty clear pretty quickly that we were missing out on a lot of features. Standardizing the hardware across the chain, standardizing what piece of equipment was plugged into what port, that was an eye-opener to me to be like, well, that would sure save a lot of time. When they said, well, yeah, we'll just run everything that has an internet connection through your protected switch, so that gives us a greater sense of security, but also when a site goes down, those critical pieces of hardware continue to work. We had a site, everything in it had been running for 2 weeks flawlessly on your backup. The site had no clue. I wasn't checking AcuVigil very often. It was so good that we didn't even know it was on the backup. It was really clear from the first call that your team is super dialed and we were going to be in very good hands from a support perspective. Having competent support people that we didn't have to wait 2 hours to talk to, that was huge. Taking all 10 of our locations from having 3 different vendors to 1 was incredibly important because now my service tech knows exactly what to do, who to call, whether he goes to a store in South Georgia or a store here where I am. He is also one of those people that has sung the praises of your support team, which if my tech is happy, that's always a really great thing. Now we have so much more insight as to what the problem can be before we ever send someone out there. This was a very straightforward implementation. It took probably 6 hours of my time during implementation, and then I stepped back and y'all took it from there. Now Scale is our default provider for this type of solution, whether it's a store we operate or if it's a store that is a customer of ours. 100% would recommend Scale Computing.